got to change the battery in my wife's 2016 Ford Escape. And that bad boy is tucked back right under here. That's where the battery's at. And he's way underneath there. So I got to take this off, the wiper blades off, and then there's a piece of plastic under there I need to take off. So first thing I'm going to do is take these wiper blades off. These caps should just pop off. Once that one came off, pretty easy. And look at that, first shot. 15 millimeter. One thing I'm worried about is these lining back up when I take them off. But I know they've been off before because I had my windshield replaced. I want to take a picture of that with my phone. I'm hoping these only go on one way. First problem. Makes me nervous how that came off. I'm going to mark that with something. Rats. Hey. Okay, that came right up. First part done. I gotta pull these clips off, which don't look like fun.
There he is. There's a Grandpa.
Oh, there's one.
There's Grandpa.
Yeah. Seven, 8. All right, this thing now is supposed to pop out, and there's clips back behind here. There. A side note that this windshield's been replaced. So this has been a part before, which may be a blessing. So far, so good. Whoa. Let's keep it rolling here. Look at that, first try. Oops, what was that? Broken drill bit. there. Hello, look at that. Bam. I was recording for that too. That was badass. Well, so far so good. There's the battery. Okay, rack it off, put it right there, move that. Oh man, this is juicy so far. Definitely not as hard as I thought. I almost took this to the shop to get it done. Now I'm glad I didn't. Old battery. It's 5 years old. This is the stuff people edit out in their videos. That wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy. So here's the old battery. Here's a new one, and I'm taking this back because they hustled me. And they definitely look the same. Alright. That does not look good. Might as well do a little Windex in here while I got this apart. Little going on here. Ready for assembly. This is how this came out after I got it all cleaned up. That over there. When I took this out, I had to lift it up like this and tip it over. There's that. So that's in. See that back there? I reckon this goes right here somewhere, cowboys. Probably should have paid attention a little bit more when I took this apart. Assuming this goes somewhere underneath there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It goes right there. Get this out. There we go. Look at that. Nose go back in there. Oh my gosh, the guy's still blowing leaves. So, let's see. We got 2 of these. Put that on the same tension it was before. Oops. Try to keep it the same. Yeah, this guy.
No favors.
I'm hoping these only go on one way. Yeah. And I think I'm lucking out. This was the only part that made me nervous. That looks right. Let's set this down. Test the wipers, put the battery box on, and we're done. Test these out real quick. Battery cover. That just kind of slides in, and there's a couple of clips. Gotta finesse it on. You'll feel it snap in place. Right there. I think it snaps in place. There we go. There, yeah, that's it right there. Not rocket scientists. Rocket science. Oh, my buddy's out with his weed whacker, leaf blower. Let's see if this thing works now. Wipers look a little low, but I don't remember what they looked like when I was in the car.
It was the weirdest game. I mean, because then they go to San Francisco Monday Night Football the next week and launched by 70. Yeah, right.
I think that's it.
Right. Well, moving on, gentlemen, but staying in the National Football League, last night we saw the debut of a former Cleveland Brown.
Let's see if I lost my radio stations. Nope, I can't lose those. All right, wipers look tight. That's a wrap. A lot of YouTube videos on how to do this. I just went through it myself. Easy. I was worried about the windshield wipers, like lining back up, but they lined up fine. Just take a picture of them just to be sure. Everything went together pretty good. So hopefully this helps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I love the background sound when I work on these videos. It's inspiring.